Hi, this is Nkechi from the Vent. Now I'm back to you today to show you some of the items we trained in the vocational school I told you about that I train in, and this was one of the last items we trained on. I trained them on before we trained on turbans. So this is actually one of the teachers, not a student, so please. She's a teacher. She teaches on catering. She teaches them how to do catering, bake cakes and all that. So this Fascinator, this feathers actually was not bought like this. We actually made these feathers ourselves. So if you want to know how to make these feathers, do write in the comment section. Please teach me how to make these feathers. Okay, so after we did it, I told the students to be creative as usual, and this was what they came up with. I so love the students. They can really be creative. So they joined two of our classes together and did the boning and also did the satellite Fascinator together. So we have just two students actually that gave us that did the assignments. The other ones, well, I guess they will do it later on. So this is the second student that did hers. Okay, now you can see the feathers that we actually used to make the other feathers. Now we also trained on this crown Fascinator, and this lady was the one that wore what we trained on. And isn't she looking gorgeous? She can actually stand for a model. So after I trained them on this, now you will soon see only one student actually reported back with their assignment, and you soon see her after this. Now here she comes. So this is what she did, and she really did well. So thank you, students. They actually have gotten their gifts for producing such results. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.